Hello crafty friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play with this beautiful die set that is from Lisa Horton and is called Layered Gladiolus from the Wildflower collection. I'm going to start by doing some ink blending on my leaf and stem. I'm doing two colors, Twisted Citron and low, I think it's low mauve. Mow it low, yeah, probably mow it low. And now I'm just gonna go around for my flowers, and I'm going with the picked raspberry in two different tone. Like I'm gonna be very light on one, so on the top layer would be lighter, and the bottom part would be darker, but it's the same color. And now I'm just gonna layer together all these tiny little bits. It's got some adorable little petals and this super cute tiny bits that is inside, and then it's got some buds as well. So it's pretty easy, to be fair, even if it's got lots of tiny bits, but they are pretty easy to put together. So now I'm just choosing where to place my flowers. There you go. I'm gonna put the buds on the top, and I think I'm gonna leave one flower out. I'm just choosing now the position, and when I'm happy with it, I'm gonna take a piece of press and seal, and I'm gonna stick them together. So press it down so everything stay in place. I love the press and seal. It's just, it's my way to go when I don't want to move anything on my when you plan something, the position, and don't want to change anything. Press and seal always help me out, even with the layered flowers like this one. A little bits came out, but I can easily put it back. And now it's ready to go. I'm just gonna do my background first. So I've got a panel, I don't remember the size, unfortunately. I think it's A2 size. And I'm just gonna color with salty ocean at the top, very I'm not putting too much pressure. I want to be soft and light, very hairy. And then on the bottom part, I'm gonna go back with Mown Lowered Mown. Mowen Low. Yeah, Moet Lawn, sorry. Again, very light. Now I'm gonna use here the second largest of the Perfect Touch rectangle dies, rectangle and tag die. And I'm just gonna cut my panel down with that. And now I'm just gonna mat it in black cardstock. And I've got this gold left over from an arch that I used in another card. I decided to use it, so I'm gonna mat my panel to that, just to see a tiny little line of gold around. I'm just gonna trim the excess. Too much glue. And that's it. I'm gonna trim it out, and now I'm gonna center the whole things to my card base that is A2 size. There you go. So I've got 3 different color layers. So we've got the white, the gold, and the black, and then there is the panel. I'm gonna put something heavy on top and let it dry. And once it's done, it's time to put my flower. I decided to put it slightly on the side. And now I'm just gonna glue down, first of all, my leaf and stem and the buds, and then one of the flowers. And I'm gonna pop up the other flowers with some foam square. And the final touch, I'm just gonna place my sentiment that is from the I don't remember from which collection is that one. I will list below if I can find it, of course. Unfortunately, I do sentiments, make sentiments, and then put them all together, like all the black in on white or white on black all together, and then I forget to write it down where they come from. Sorry. Anyway, final touch, some gems that I almost run out. I need to order some more. Those one are the crystal mix from Spellbinders. They're beautiful. And one part is opaque and the other part is really shiny. And I'm using the shiny one now. So I'm gonna put some around the sentiment and some just around the flowers. And that's it. And the card is done. This is a really pretty die set. I really love it and I can't wait to make some more. Thank you so much for watching. I will list below everything that I use, if I can find a sentiment as well, down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day and see you next time. Bye.